Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to do a very interesting topic. What is packaging? Packaging is the most important aspect of marketing. You know, in my last videos also I have discussed that packaging is the fifth P of marketing. The first four being product, price, place, promotion. The fifth P is packaging. What is packaging and why it is so important? We all see good packages nowadays in India. People, marketers are using creativity. They are really putting efforts to improve their packaging, because packaging is now not only used to protect the product, but it is also used as an silent salesman. You know, the package of the product attracts the consumer. It tells the consumer, please buy me. There is no need of salesman if you have a good package. Let me give you very good examples of good packaging. Have you seen diapers for kids? They are packaged in such beautiful colors with a handle on top of it, so it is convenient for the mothers to carry. Have you seen the packaging of red label tea? It is in the bag with a nice thread-like handle, so it is very convenient to carry. Have you seen the packaging of shampoos? Oh my god, they have so beautiful shape, size and colors. It really attracts you. They have good photos of females and males and kids, especially on Clinic Plus. I could see the entire family pic on the package, which tells you that Clinic Plus you can buy, and that is one shop for all your family members. And its attractive colors really attract me to buy. I have seen perfume bottles coming in so beautiful shapes and sizes, which really attract the customer. This is why I call that packaging is so important aspect of marketing, because it is the fifth P of marketing. Now let me explain you guys what is the difference of packing and packaging. What is packing? Packing is the first step wherein the manufacturer will wrap the product so that it is protected. The main focus of packing is for transport and warehousing and storage. See, packing actually wants that the product is safeguarded from environmental hazards. All these hazards, the marketer wants to safeguard its product from all these hazards. So what they do is, the first step, they pack the product, just they wrap the product, and then the product may be packaged in the beautiful way. Let me tell you, for example, Bonvita. When I saw Bonvita comes in that silver color package, that is to protect the product inside. Otherwise, the product will get, like when we use it, it may not be so crispy. After that, they have those beautiful dabbas, tins or bottles or jars where that package is put in. After that, the packet may be put in a big box, that is a container. This is all done to protect the product from all the hazards of transportation, environment, storing. Now, in our case of packaging, what is packaging? Packaging is to attract the consumers, like the silver color in which the Bonvita is put is packing. But when that silver color packet is put in a beautiful attractive jar, that jar is called as packaging. So main aim of packaging is to promote the product. I hope you understood the difference between packing and packaging. If you like the video, please stay in tune and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.